Hi everyone, I am Shadreck Kamwana and I'll be your teacher in this Android series for beginners. And without wasting much time, let's begin. So the first thing which we are going to do is to download Android Studio. So just go to your browser. So I'm using Google Chrome and just write download Android Studio. Then you hit enter and go to download Android Studio and Aptos. Then you scroll down and here you choose what version of Android Studio you want to download, whether for Windows, Mac, and Linux. For me, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download Android Studio 2022. I just click there. Then here you scroll down and agree. Then you click download Android Studio. So here my Android Studio is downloading. So after a few minutes you may see that the downloading is complete, and this will depend on how fast your internet is. So for some it will take long and for others it will take a short period of time. So you may just click here and you can just click open or just show in folder, and then you double click here on your download. Then we'll wait for it to install. So click run. Let me just hide this. So just wait for a short period of time. So now it's installing. Then here you will click next and next and install. So you just wait for it for a few moments. So after it's complete, you just click next, then finish. Then just wait a bit, it will restart by itself. So here it is. So you just wait so that it finishes loading. So here you may just click next. Here you click next as well. So you will continue clicking next all the way until you reach here where you click accept and you click next as well. is to hit new project, then you just click hit. It has already selected an empty activity, then you just click next, and here you can enter the name of the project. You may put your name, like let's say shadreck, and then hit enter. Then to continue VSTK and other necessary libraries, so you just wait for it to finish. So after everything is set, this is how it will look like. And here is the platform where we'll be using to write our codes. So you probably master this in the coming lectures or tutorials, but for now all I may say is good luck.